In this video, I will show you exactly how to activate the direct accessibility compliance checkers right inside your forms when using Typeform. Ensuring that your digital content is accessible to everyone is not just a good practice, but a vital step in creating an inclusive user experience for all your respondents. To get started with this process, the first thing you need to do is open up the specific form you want to review. You will want to be working inside the Create tab workspace, where all of your building tools are located. Once you have your form loaded and ready, take a moment to look at the top horizontal builder toolbar. This is where you find most of your primary editing options. Navigate your cursor over to the button labeled Check Accessibility and give it a click. As soon as you select that option, you will notice a dedicated panel expand right onto your screen. This powerful tool immediately begins running a comprehensive real-time evaluation of your entire form. It checks your work against the official WCAG 2.1 level AA compliance standards, which serve as the international benchmark for web accessibility. This live checker acts like a helpful guide, as it identifies any potential barriers that might prevent people with disabilities from completing your form successfully. It will highlight specific issues, such as color contrast problems or missing labels, so you can fix them instantly before you publish. By following these simple steps, you can feel confident that your surveys and questionnaires are professional and welcoming to every single person who clicks on your link. It is an incredibly fast and efficient way to maintain high standards without needing to be an expert in legal compliance. Just remember to keep that panel open as you make changes to ensure your form stays compliant as you go. This makes the entire building process much smoother and more inclusive for everyone.